Hello guys, what's happening?
Hey, you got a picture? Let me get a photo of that. You guys are fun to
Oh, you're our favorite pilot.
Yeah.
You're gonna fly us home, that's for sure.
Would you guys like a photo on the table doing cheers together?
This looks amazing. Should we ride this?
Yes.
Jump in before the pilot is coming.
Ah, so much.
Yeah, I think I know how to do it. Stick there and there's a key there.
I just press something.
Yeah, just push on something. How was your day in the air?
Yes.
You like that? I think so. So we're doing it tomorrow, breakfast again.
So who's doing the stripping?
That would be you.
We're unable to come. The live stream is now available. My name is Taylor Worry. I hope you have an amazingly blessed day wherever you are around the world. If you are in Las Vegas with us,
Okay, so now we have a part of the Norwegian delegation.
Yay!
Here, finally made it to ballroom number 3. And what's happening from here and on, we'll see. So, let's go in here. Exciting. All right. And here we have the President of Norway and the President of Austria. All the top leaders are gathered. Mrs. President,
We have a real camera.
how are you doing? Oh yeah, we're live. And here she is, the woman that you've seen on YouTube and on Facebook Live. Here she is. Good to see you again. Good to be here.
It's nice.
Chicken Philly. Oh, thank you very much.
How are you?
I'm so glad, especially now that I see you.
I am so awesome.
I know that. You know, because you went to a restaurant here 2 days ago, we went to the same place yesterday because you put it out on Facebook.
Capital Grill?
Fantastic.
Yes.
That's right. I love this place. Thank you.
Excited about being able to be here with the leaders and to really kind of pour in.
The announcements that are coming. Corporate has some surprises for all of us this weekend.
Mr. and Mrs. Chad and Natita Jump. Number hit, guys. 48 hours, guys. Natina, we have so much to share. We have so much to share.
So again, thank you very much, and we continue the talking tonight.
Great to see you guys.
awesome to see you.
And I have a big question now,
Yes.
because a friend of mine offered me a job on the gas station.
Wow.
Yes, and it's a very tempting thing to do.
Okay, I see.
What's your advice?
No!
You have to stay on it. Stay on it, because what is coming next is so big. It's getting so big. This is Roberta, and I'm a world changer.
This Austrian guy is sleeping. I feel I'm getting high blood pressure just looking at this food. There's 130 over 87. Back at the bubbles in Amsterdam. And it looks like somebody have dragged us half around the planet without a shower. And that might be because we have been dragged half around the planet without a shower, I guess. 2 more hours and we're in Norway.
The lock position, and your armrest is lowered. Ensure larger devices